Hello everyone. If you want to know exactly what programs and services are starting automatically with Windows, Microsoft has a powerful tool that can help you. It's called Autoruns, and it is part of the Microsoft Sysinternals suite. Autoruns gives you much more information than the normal Windows startup settings. It can show applications, services, drivers, scheduled tasks, browser extensions, and many other components that can automatically run when Windows starts or when you sign in. In this video, I'll show you how to download Autoruns and understand some of its most useful features. First, I'll download Autoruns from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. I've provided the download link in the video description, so you can easily access it. Download the Autoruns zip file and extract it to a folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find different versions of the tool. For a normal 64-bit Windows installation, you can use Autoruns 64.exe. Before opening it, I recommend running it with administrator privileges. Right-click Autoruns 64.exe, select Run as Administrator, and allow the user account control prompt. Now Autoruns will open and start scanning your system. At first, the amount of information displayed here might look confusing. That's because Autoruns doesn't just show normal startup applications. It checks many different locations where Windows and installed software can automatically start programs. At the top, you can see several tabs. The Everything tab shows all the entries Autoruns has discovered. Then you have categories such as Logon, Explorer, Scheduled Tasks, Services, Drivers, and more. For example, the Logon tab focuses on programs that start when you sign in to Windows. This is similar to what you see in Task Manager under Startup Apps, but Autoruns can provide much more detailed information. The Services tab shows Windows and third-party services that can start automatically. The Drivers tab can show drivers that are loaded by Windows. And the Scheduled Tasks section shows programs that are configured to run automatically through Windows Task Scheduler. This can be extremely useful when you're troubleshooting slow startup, unwanted software, or programs that keep running in the background. One of the most useful features is the ability to disable an entry without deleting it. If you find a program that you don't want to start automatically, you can simply remove the check mark next to that entry. Autoruns will disable it, but you can enable it again later if necessary. This is much safer than immediately deleting registry entries or files. You can also right-click an entry to access additional options. For example, you can jump to the location where the entry is stored, open the file location, view its properties, or search for more information online. Another useful option is Hide Microsoft Entries. When you enable this option, Autoruns hides many Microsoft and Windows-related entries, making it easier to concentrate on third-party software. This is especially useful when you're looking for unwanted startup programs or software that you don't recognize. You can also use the search feature to quickly find a particular application, company name, file, or entry. One important thing to remember is that you should not disable everything you don't recognize. Some entries may be required by Windows, your hardware, drivers, security software, or other applications. If you're unsure about an entry, right-click it and investigate it first. Autoruns also provides useful information such as the publisher, image path, and other details that can help you identify what the entry belongs to. You can also use the Verify Code Signatures option to help identify digitally signed files. This can be useful when investigating suspicious or unknown startup entries. So, why would you use Autoruns instead of the normal Windows startup settings? The main advantage is visibility. Windows gives you a simple list of startup applications, while Autoruns can inspect a much larger number of automatic startup locations. This makes it useful for advanced troubleshooting. For example, if your computer takes a long time to start, you can use Autoruns to investigate programs that are launching automatically. If an unknown program keeps running after every restart, Autoruns can help you find where it is configured to start. It can also be useful when troubleshooting software conflicts or cleaning up unnecessary startup items. But remember, Autoruns is a powerful tool, so use it carefully. Don't disable Windows components, drivers, security software, or other important entries unless you know exactly what they do. So that's a quick but detailed look at Microsoft Autoruns. If you want more control and visibility over everything that starts automatically with Windows, Autoruns is definitely a tool worth knowing. You can find the Autoruns download link in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips, tools, and troubleshooting videos.